Hey everyone, welcome back. I'm Tracy Ann, your colorist, and my hope is to let you fall in love with the magic of colors. Let's begin. Mythical creatures, cute mythical creatures, using ADAXI 168 pack and markers, and this is really a good marker. It blends so nice, and I'm amazed with it. So let's begin. I've started this piece already and decided to let you have a look to see what I'm doing, as I could not believe how well this marker turned out using it into this paper coloring book. The paper is thin, but the markers blend so well. I thought the grayscale was going to be a little bit tricky with the markers, but by experimenting, and I just decided to use the marker, just close my eyes and put a dab on the paper and hope that it it didn't spoil my my piece, and lo and behold, it actually worked out well. The reason why I tried the marker, the leaves in front were actually done in pencil, but somehow the pencil was not blending quite well. I was using the Studio brand pencils that I had, and they were not blending as I wanted to. Somehow it's either the paper or I just really don't know what went wrong, but the blending was not working out. So I decided to try my ADAXI markers, and wow, beautiful. So I'm recommending this marker. It's filled with juice. It's so juiced up, you would not be disappointed unless you get a bad batch, right? Which is like replaceable, but normally these markers are filled with juice. I just had one tip. The chisel tip in one of my purples was like totally gone. I did not even receive that, but that doesn't take away from the quality of this marker. All right, so go ahead, continue watching. And these are my cute mythical creatures I'm working in this book, and I do hope you find the tutorial just really pleasing. And of course, if you don't know who I am Tracy Ann, and my desire is to let you fall in love with coloring. And I do have a Ko-fi page that I'm asking you to check out. Thank you so much for supporting me. If you do find a page that I've illustrated that you like, go ahead and either download, there's free ones, or you can go ahead and support me by purchasing a few pages just for your coloring pleasure. But most of all, please like, share, and definitely subscribe, as you will help me grow this channel, and I will be able to do more tutorials. Irregardless, I will still be doing tutorials because I'm totally in love with coloring. All right, I'm just asking you to watch and go ahead and share it, and just say hello. I will always encourage that. Ask me any question that you want regarding to color or what I'm doing, and I will definitely try my best to answer. I will post also the colors that I've used in the this tutorial just at the side of this video, so you can go ahead and use them as well if you do like my color palette that I've used for this creature, and you can create your own as well. If not, feel free to go ahead and choose whatever color you want. Remember, it is your masterpiece. All right, so thank you so much again for your support. Thanks for watching, and remember, the tip of the day: you have to start something. If you are passionate about it, don't wait for the right day, because there is never ever a right day. Never a right day and never a right time. The time is actually now. You make the time now, and that's the right time. All right, thank you so much. Have a great day. Thanks for watching the tutorial, and catch you in the next one.